I was born under buzzing hospital lights, mama crying, daddy pacing, praying. By 16 I was itching to get out. First job at the hardware store, paycheck felt huge, didn't know life would hit fast. Met her that summer where the highway bends. She laughed like she knew the ending. We said forever like it was easy. There was a ring, a borrowed suit, and then the sleepless nights, the crying rooms. Dreams got heavy. She left one gray morning, I stayed with the bills. The quiet and a little boy to raise, learn really matters. Years roll on, some days sunshine, some rain. Hands rough, back sore, but I did my best. When my kid calls just to say I'm fine, all those hard years feel worth it. Life doesn't promise easy roads, just miles to walk, burdens to carry. I didn't win big, didn't lose it all, I just kept standing. No glory days, no silver crowns, just a life messy and loud. Lived in a small town sound, and honestly, that's enough for me.